Hello and welcome back to Crypto Dairy with a new exciting video in which I'll show you how to buy and stake Time Wonderland on the Avalanche network. I talk about these concepts and help to understand why anyone would want to buy and stake time in Wonderland. Before we get started, please subscribe to our channel. So what is your current favorite crypto protocol? In Wonderland, purchasing and staking time is a very simple process. To begin, ensure that you have a Google Chrome extension wallet, such as MetaMask, installed and linked to the Avalanche network. Avax is Avalanche's native token. We can then go to any cryptocurrency exchange, such as Coinbase, and buy avax directly. After that, you'll be able to send avax directly from Coinbase or any other exchange to your MetaMask wallet on the Avalanche mainnet. You can go to Trader Joe X, Y, Z and trade your avax from time to time once you have avax in your MetaMask wallet on the Avalanche network. Hotbit is another way to get time. Assume you have some money in Bitcoin or another token that you want to use to swap for time. You can send that token directly to your Hotbit wallet and exchange it for United States dollars, which you can then exchange for avax or time. Because the fee to send time directly from Hotbit to the MetaMask is significantly higher, I would recommend swapping your token for avax, sending the avax to the MetaMask, and using Trader Joe Trader X, Y, and Z to buy time in Wonderland with avax as described previously. Once you've completed this task and have time in your MetaMask wallet, go to App. Wonderland. Money, where you can stake time in Wonderland. After connecting your wallet, you'll see the staking interface, your time balance, and then your memo balance and the next reward amount, as well as the rebase and 5-day ROI. The number of memos you receive based on the next reward yield is the next rebase amount. Every 8 hours, these rewards are automatically added to your memo balance as stake rewards, and the process compounds and counts towards the next 8-hour reward rebates. As a result, the process is completely passive and non-compounding. The protocol calculates the 5-day return on investment, or ROI, every 8 hours based on this reward yield. The total value locked, which is the total amount of time or memo tokens staked within the protocol, and the current index, which is a measure of how long the protocol has been active, are also displayed. Before you can stake, you must first approve the ability for your account to stake. Fortunately, because we are on the avax network, the cost is minimal. After that, you can enter the amount of time you want to stake and stake your time. Again, this will be documented in the protocol as a memo. If you need to unstake for any reason, choose the unstable option and go through the approval process. When you enter the desired amount, it becomes unstable once more. This will grant you time tokens. Remember that the Wonderland protocol works best in the long run when everyone stakes their tokens, which is known as the three-game theory. It is best for both parties in the protocol if both parties have a stake. If one party stakes and the other party bonds, this is also beneficial because staking time takes it off the market and into the protocol, whereas bonding provides liquidity for treasury selling, which reduces the efforts of the other party member. And if both parties sell, it results in the worst possible outcome for both parties. Time Wonderland is designed for long-term staking. The protocol has been designed with a long-term outcome in mind. In addition to the staking tab, there are dashboard and mint tabs. You also have the documents, which I encourage you to read through. You can see all of the additional information about Time Wonderland, such as facts, how to stake, what the three theories are, and other related information. It's well worth the read. If you have the time and interest, the dashboard has a lot of information about the time required and the protocol right up front. Returning to the three-game theory, bonding is also beneficial to the protocol. It's also worth noting that Time Wonderland is worth noting. Wonderland is a new crypto protocol, so it carries additional risks in addition to the risks associated with more popular protocols such as Bitcoin. This video is meant to be for explanation only, not financial advice. Another critical point to address is the issue of taxes. Although there are currently no clear guidelines, it is widely assumed that rewards from staking tokens are taxed as income. This means that your base is subject to income tax every 8 hours, which is extremely disheartening. Make sure to subscribe and ring that bell so that you do not miss out. Thank you for your interest in this video. I hope to see you at the next one. And, until then, remember that you are important.